Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel Sapna Master IELTS, and this is another sample answer for the cue card for May to August 2023 for 8 bands vocabulary. The cue card topic is a movie that you saw and that disappointed you, and why did you hate it, what genre was the movie, when did you watch it. So you can start with कि आप movie maniac हो या movie buff हो या huge cinephile. आई रियली ट्रेजर बिंज वॉचिंग. और अभी आप ये बता सकते हैं कि कुछ फ्रेंड्स आपके मूवी बफ है, दे लाइक टू वॉच मूवीज, बट पेरेंट्स अकम्पनी नहीं करते, तो यू आर फोर्स्ड टू दे बी देयर पार्टनर एंड वेस्ट अ फ्यू आवर्स इन डार्क रूम. एक मूवी दैट यू स्टिल रिमेंबर एंड यू नेवर प्रॉमिस टू वॉच दैट अगेन, दैट इज द मूवी. एंड रोमांटिक कम एक्शन मूवी है. प्लेंटिफुल रीजंस है इसके. एक तो आई वाज ऑलरेडी टायर्ड, इट वाज अ टायरसम डे, and that is why due to hard work I was looking for some entertainment, लेकिन it turned out to be a dud. Next thing आप ये बोल सकते हैं जो jokes थे, those were terrible. My family would have guffaws of laughter while watching the movie, but whole cast जितना भी perform किया था, they were jokers instead of comedians. जो स्क्रिप्ट थी that didn't have the comedy content, it was age old. कोई स्टोरी लाइन नहीं थी. जो उनका एक्स्ट्रा पोटेंशियल था उसको बाहर निकालना चाहिए था, कैलिबर नहीं था. एंड वी नीडेड क्लैरिफिकेशन की प्रोटैगनिस्ट था कौन. Moreover, there's some action scenes the usme in which the array was a sheer exaggeration of the physical strength of the villain in the movie. It is not sheer, it is sheer exaggeration of the physical strength. Now, holding the landing skates with both the hands, and those were actually not real. Superficial tha. Choreographer could have done better work, and you can also talk about it was a sheer waste of 2 hours. After watching it, you also give reviews on various social media platforms. So I have given enough vocabulary, I guess. आपको बहुत अच्छे phrases मिले हैं. You can use that and share with other students also. उनकी भी practice हो जाए, and it will be a good vocabulary for you. Good luck for your cue cards, for your speaking. आपको कौन से cue cards के sample answers नहीं मिल रहे हैं, आप जल्दी से comment section में लिख दीजिए. We will be providing you very soon. All the best, guys. See you in my next video.